Guess you're on someone's mind. 4. Hiccups out of nowhere. Similar to sneezing, sudden hiccups are sometimes considered a sign that someone is thinking about you. The theory goes that if you experience hiccups without any typical triggers like eating too fast or drinking carbonated beverages, it could be because someone is thinking about you intensely. This idea, while lacking scientific backing, adds a mystical dimension to an otherwise mundane bodily function. Sometimes, emotions reach us beyond the physical realm,